AOC Commercial Payments Division is a company that strives to provide solutions and ideas centered around a private, public, or corporate sector's payment needs. What we provide is a single file solution that enables any company, big or small, middle market to large corporate, the ability to make a payment to those trusted vendors that they have to ensure that, one, the vendors get paid on time, and two, to ensure the vendors get paid, period.
Encompass is a brand name of a product that we developed, and that product is, in the business world, you know, you have purchase cards, fleet cards, travel cards. Those are cards that you would have in your pocket that your corporation gives you to go out and do things. So Encompass is that, but it's also an accounts payable solution. So we have multiple ways that you can pay your vendors. So the whole business to business, business to government opportunity in the United States every year is about $22 trillion. And that's the business we're in. So we go out to corporations through our financial institutions and provide this solution by which they can pay their vendors, either with a credit card or with a check, or we have various different ways that control security, but also integrate into accounting systems. So that's what Encompass is. That's really where our growth is. And what I would say, if you sit back and take a look over a 17-year career, we started with nothing. One of the premier platforms in the industry today to do commercial payments.
I think within the commercial payments realm, there are a lot of companies out there who have bits and pieces of what we do, all claiming to be able to answer any problem that a corporation has. And what we found as we were building these is that those bits and pieces don't give them all the answers they want. They're having to use multiple platforms to do multiple things. Until we came along, there really wasn't anyone in the marketplace that had a single solution, single face to the client, where they can do all of their commercial payment needs. And I think that's what we brought forth here. We brought forth the ability to go log into one site, one username, one login ID, and make payments to those vendors. Simply, easy, fast, efficient. I don't really like to use the word cutting edge or those things like that. I think what we are is we're innovative, and we're innovative tomorrow, today.
Regardless of what they buy or what kind of service that they want, or you know, their needs to run their business, that's what we do. So we pay their bills on their behalf. Now that seems kind of, there's a lot that goes behind that. In other words, you know, you got different accounting systems, you got ways you have to split transactions, you've got various different mechanisms that for approval and routing. You know, it's a very complicated process, and what we've tried to do is make it very easy by the application we built. And we're certified on the platforms that process that, so we understand the banking side of it, we understand the accounting side of it, and we just put all these solutions together and keep making enhancements in the system to pay their bills.
In today's marketplace, you can get a lot of solutions from a lot of different players. If you look at the financial institutions, they do a lot of different things. They do mortgages, they do home loans, they do treasuries. We don't do those things. Commercial payments is all we do. We devise, develop, and deploy payment strategies for corporations. That's all we do. We don't get involved in a lot of the other things that kind of pull people away from their core principles or their core values. When an organization uses our product solutions, I think what they can expect is a couple of things. One, streamline processes. Two, automation. And three, time savings. I think one of the best ways to describe it is we did a white paper with one of the local CEOs, and her statement to us is, quote unquote, "For the first time in 3 years, I get to go home on the weekends. I don't know how AOC does it. All I know is that they do it,